When you've lost a job or lost the opportunity to win a job, have you ever thought, I wonder what was missing that if was in place could have made the difference? Now you might just say, John, the other people came in at a cheaper price. These days, it's not just about price. And in a previous video, I've shared more about trust and credibility that is more important than price. But what I want to share with you now is what is your currency of credibility? If a customer is thinking, how do I trust with certainty that this potential business can solve my broader problem? What are they doing to boost that credibility? Now, with 82% of people checking out your business profile or your website or your socials online before making a buying decision, what are you doing to boost your credibility to make it easy for that potential customer to buy from you? Case studies, testimonials, Google reviews, Facebook social reviews are now the currency of credibility. That is doing the selling and the talking for you when people don't know you personally. So I'll give you an example. If you're going to put your business online and you want people to inquire with you online and they have 3 alternative options that they've sourced online and they see one has 5 Google reviews, another has 50 5-star Google reviews, and the other has 200 5-star Google reviews. Which one do you think they would call first? Yeah. Now, it's not to say that anyone is better than the other, but the currency of credibility is the reviews, the case studies, the testimonials that have been placed online. I would suggest that moving forward, moving into this digital decade, that you have a structure in place that allows you on a weekly basis, if not monthly basis, to put up those reviews, testimonials, and ensure that you're capturing Google reviews from your customers. If you don't have a process in place, you may be left behind. It's not complicated. In fact, it's quite simple. You've just got to ask and then have a process which makes it easy for people to give you the review, to write out some words, to give you that testimonial. Maybe, depending on your business and the industry that you're in, allocating time and some funds to invest in a quality professional to go out and take some case study footage on site. Grab some footage of happy customers in their home on site. Any of the relationships that you feel would add value to your currency of credibility, that is a great return on investment. Yes, you can do it yourself. Will it be quality? Well, it depends on the target audience that you're trying to attract. But more importantly now, I want you to think about currency of credibility for the future. What are you doing to invest in creating more of that for you so it makes it easy for customers to make a buying decision without actually having to speak to you in the first place? All the best, and if you'd love some support in putting together a structure to capture more of those Google reviews, case studies, testimonials, make sure you keep in touch.